Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of ViperCache. This is a WordPress plugin that helps you speed up your sites to make them super fast in just a few clicks. It's very, very easy. I'm in the plugin here. Now, why is this important? Because next month Google is rolling out a new algorithm. It's a new system to decide SEO rankings. This is going to factor in how fast your page loads. So if your page is loading slow, especially on all devices, it'll test for mobile devices and everything like that. If it loads quite slow, it's going to slip down the rankings because they prefer sites that are fast, seamless to use for all users on all devices. Now, if you run a WordPress site, you'll know you probably run a lot of plugins, you upload your own images that haven't been optimized, all these sorts of things that can contribute to slower loading times. So this is ViperCache here. It's a WordPress plugin. You plug it in, activate it, and it's very, very simple to go about optimizing your site. You just go ahead turn on ViperCache. Okay, blocks no and bad bots, fake search engines, scrapers, all these sorts of things. You can go about optimizing your images, fix image sizes, block bad bots, prevent image hot linking so other people can't put your images on other sites, and use up your bandwidth. All these sorts of different things. You just go through and turn on and off as you see fit for your site. Once you've done all that, all you have to do is click Save Changes, and ViperCache will go about optimizing your website. Very, very easy, very, very simple. So what you can do is you can, once you've done all this, if you do want to go about changing anything on it, you can just go through and disable it as you see fit as well. Now, the good thing about this one is it's super simple to use. There are other cache tools out there that either don't have this level of features, depth of features, but they can actually be quite tricky to use. You can mess it up pretty easily, mess up your website pretty easily if you don't know what you're doing. With this, it's very, very simple. Just go through, click on, off as you need to throughout the plugin. It's launching at a special price during launch. We've got a coupon code as well, so check it out down below on the bonus page as well. The price will be fixed throughout launch, so get enjoying that and get your web pages. It's a very quick, easy way to get your web pages loading as quick as possible to make sure they don't fall foul of the Google changes. So check it out in detail down below for more details about ViperCache. Get in during launch to get it the best price, and use that coupon down below on the bonus page to get an even better deal with ViperCache today. This is Sam. It's been my pleasure to show you through this here on this site.